How to use CapCut. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video, and on today's video we will see a tutorial to use the CapCut. So let's get started. First of all, you have to have the CapCut installed in your device. If not, you can install CapCut from your Play Store. After you install it, open up CapCut in your device and you have to log into your account. You can log in CapCut with your Google account, and after you do that, you will land on this edit page. Now to edit a video, you have to tap on the new project button on this interface. Tap on it. Then you will get to this interface where you can choose a video from your gallery. You can also choose a photo if you would like to edit a picture. Here we will select a video, so tap on one of your video from a gallery and then tap on add. After that, you will get to this edit page. Now once you land on this interface, you will see your video and then your video in a timeline. Now using this timeline, you can edit your video. Now if you head over to the menu bar at the bottom of this interface, you can find multiple menus. So first one, it says edit. Tap on it, and under this edit section you can find various options to split. Now to split is used to split your video in two parts. Now if you move your video in this timeline and then place this vertical line wherever you like to split the video, and then tap on split, and then your video will get splitted into two parts, as this is the first part and this is the second part. If you would like to remove the second part, tap on the second part, and on this menu bar you will find this delete option. Tap on delete and then this will get deleted. Now if you want to change the speed, tap on speed option, and then you can change the speed with the help of various options such as normal, curve or velocity effects. Go back, and if you'd like to add animation to your videos, tap on animation, and there are various types of animation you can add into your video. You can choose one from in, out or combo. So you can try various animation effects as well. After you're done, tap on this tick mark from the bottom right corner. And there are few options as effects, enhance voice, isolate voice, recharge, volume, transform, auto reframe, adjust. If you tap on adjust, you can adjust your video quality. You can increase the brightness, contrast, saturation, brilliance, and multiple more other options. If you want to apply filters, there is filters option as well. Tap on filters, and from here you can choose various filters to apply in your video. Go and tap on video quality. Here you can change the video quality as well. There is remove flickers, that is the pro version. That means you must have the premium subscriptions in your CapCut to use all of these features. Once you're done, tap on this tick mark again, and if you keep on scrolling or swiping this menu bar to your left, there you'll get multiple options such as remove background. Once you tap on it, it will help you out to remove the background in your video. So you can have custom removal or chroma key. Now if you scroll down or swipe to your left, there is an option as overlay or basic, mask, duplicate. With the help of duplicate, you can create the duplicate part of this video as well in this editing piece. If you want to replace your video with some other video in gallery, you can go with the replace, and with this replace option you can replace your video as well. You can extract the audio from this video as well by tapping on this extract audio. After that, your audio will be extracted. And after that, if you keep on swiping to your left, there is an option as stabilize, opacity, reverse, freeze, and beats and unlink. If you want to unlink this video with this audio, you can simply tap on unlink and then tap again on unlink, and all the elements that you have used will be unlinked. Now if you go back once again, there are more options. You can add audio to your video as well. Tap on this audio and then tap on sounds, and then now you can use a sound from CapCut as well. You can go with the recommended song, or you can use the one from your device. For that, tap on this file option, and from here tap on device, and now from your device you can choose a music to add in your video. Now you can also use the music from CapCut as well, and if you have kept any song and favorite, tap on it and then you will find all the music here. Once it's on, tap on this cross icon from the top left corner. And there are multiple more options as brand music, copyright, sound fix, text to audio, extract, or you can also record the audio in CapCut by tapping on this record option, and then tap on this record to record your audio. If you go back once again, there are more options such as text. Now if you like to add text to your video, tap on this text option and then tap on add text. Now here you can simply type in the text that you would like to add, and then tap on your screen and you If you go back and then tap on the stick mark, you'll have this text right here. You can drag and place it wherever you like. You can change the style, you can change the font size, or you can add animation to your text as well with the help of this animation. So you can try that as well. Now if you go back again, and there's option as overlay and then effects, you can add captions, filters, edges, stickers. If you tap on stickers, there you'll find multiple stickers that you can add in your video. So choose one and then tap on the stick mark. There you can see these stickers. You can place it wherever you like. You can split this, you can duplicate, you can animate, or you can mirror, or if you don't want it, you can simply tap on delete and then it will get deleted. Now if you go back again, there you can have this background image also. If you want to set the background color, tap on color, or if you want to import the image, tap on image, or if you want to blur your background, you can also do that by tapping on this blur option. And there is multiple option as brand background as well. So you can try all of this and then tap on next or tap on back. Now once you're done editing your video in CapCut, now if you like to save it to a gallery, all you have to do is tap on this export button from the top right corner. And the video will get exported, which will take a few times, and it says don't close CapCut or lock your screen. Now once it is exported, it will be automatically saved to a gallery. Or if you like to share it to some other social media such as TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp, Facebook, you can choose from here. Or if you like to add some more, tap on this other option, and here you will get more application to share to. Now once you're done, tap on this done from the top right corner, and then your edited video will be saved in your gallery. You can check that video in your gallery. So this is how you can use CapCut in your mobile device, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.